In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple voting poll in Google Forms. By the end, you'll know how to add a clear poll question, include answer choices, and make sure each person can vote only once. This is perfect for quick surveys, classroom check-ins, team preferences, or any situation where you want a fast, reliable result. Start by opening your Google form. Use any form you already have, or a fresh one you've prepared for this poll. With your form open, look along the right side for the vertical toolbar. Click the Add Question button, the one with the plus icon. This creates a new question card in the main form area where you'll build your poll. Click into the question field on that card and type your poll prompt. Keep it short and direct so people can respond without confusion. For example, if you're making a sample voting poll for a team or class, a simple question like, "Which programming language do you prefer?" works great. Clear language helps participants answer quickly and keeps your results meaningful. Now add your answer options. In the options fields below the question, type each choice in its own line. For the sample poll, you might enter Python, JavaScript, Java, and C++. Keep options concise, mutually exclusive, and in a neutral order to avoid nudging people toward a particular choice. If your audience needs clarity, you can briefly describe an option right in the label, but try not to make any single choice much longer than the others. Next, go to the top of the form and click Settings, which sits next to Questions and Responses. In the Settings panel, open the Responses section and turn on Limit to One Response. This helps prevent duplicate voting and ensures your results are fair. When this is enabled, participants will be asked to sign in, which is how the form knows not to count the same person twice. That's it for the setup. You now have a clean, single-question poll with defined choices and a safeguard to keep the voting honest. Before you share it, take a moment to reread your question for clarity and double-check the spelling of each option. Clear wording leads to higher quality responses and fewer follow-up messages. When you're confident everything looks right, you're ready to use your poll wherever you need quick, trustworthy feedback.